Well, crap, I'm sitting here at a Napa store in North Las Vegas. I have two spark plugs that previously blew out on me. It's a Ford problem, and both of them seem to have developed a second problem. I did repair them a couple of years back, about a year apart, so 2 years and 3 years ago, and now they are starting to give me trouble again. I'm getting exhaust leaks up through the spark plug hole in the head, and the one has already burned or crispified the boot, the rubber boot that comes down from the coil to the plug itself. So I'm gonna replace that one, and now I gotta replace the other one. The fix does not seem to be working the second time, probably because exhaust gases have worn a channel into the aluminum. What I'll probably do is see if I can get this second one repaired and see if that addresses the rest of the problem, and if not, then I will shop around Las Vegas tomorrow to find the repair kits to put new seats into the head and replace the spark plugs and all that good stuff. So technically that is the best fix. It's just much more expensive than the fixes that I already did. So anyway, here is the Napa store there. I don't think you can really see the sign anywhere, but yeah, fun times at Ridgemont High or Las Vegas or whatever you... Fortunately, what happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas. So once I get these things fixed, then theoretically it won't bother me again. Okay, that's just a quick update. Keep you posted on my progress.